If you want to upload a photo from your Google Drive to Canva, this quick tutorial will walk you through the easiest way to do it step by step. This is perfect if your image is already saved in Drive and you want to bring it straight into your design without downloading and re-uploading files. It saves time, keeps your workflow organized, and makes designing much faster. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Canva tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Canva and sign into your account. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you can either open an existing design or click Create a Design to start something new. If you already have a project open, that works too, because the process is the same either way. The important thing is that you're inside the Canva editor where the upload tools are available. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see different options there, and depending on your layout, you may see Apps right away, or you may need to look for Google Drive. Click on Apps if that's what appears first. Inside the Apps area, search for Google Drive or select it from the list. Canva connects with Google Drive, so you can pull your photos directly from your cloud storage. Once you click Google Drive, Canva will check whether your account is already connected. If it isn't connected yet, you'll see a Connect button. Click Connect and then sign in with the Google account that has the photo you want to use. After that, Google will ask for permission so Canva can access your Drive files. Review the prompt, then click Allow to continue. This step is important because without granting access, Canva won't be able to show your files. After the connection is approved, Canva will open your Google Drive files inside the editor. Now you can browse through your folders and find the photo you want to upload. You can scroll through your recent files, open folders, or search for the image if you have a lot of content stored in Drive. Take your time here and choose the exact photo you want to use in your design. When you find the photo, just click it once. Canva will automatically import it directly into your design. You do not need to save the image to your computer first. That's one of the biggest advantages of using Google Drive with Canva, because it keeps everything cloud-based and simple. Depending on the size of the image and your internet speed, it should appear in your design within a few seconds. Once the photo is on the page, you can resize it, drag it into place, crop it, or adjust it however you want. You can also duplicate it, layer it behind text, or use it as a background image. If the image isn't positioned perfectly right away, don't worry. Canva makes it easy to move things around until your layout looks exactly how you want it. If you want to add more images from Google Drive, you can repeat the same process anytime. Just go back to Apps or Google Drive, select another photo, and bring it into the design. This is especially useful if you're creating presentations, thumbnails, social media posts, or branded graphics and all of your assets are stored in Drive. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload a photo from your Google Drive to Canva in just a few simple steps. It's fast, convenient, and a great workflow if you already keep your files organized in Google Drive. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Canva tips, and I'll see you in the next video.